How to play Uno, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up the game number of players. Uno is best played with 2 to 10 players. Deck preparation. Use a standard Uno deck consisting of 108 cards, including 4 color suits, red, yellow, green, blue, and special cards. Deal the cards. Shuffle the deck thoroughly. Deal 7 cards to each player. Place the remaining cards face down in the center as the draw pile. Create the discard pile. Turn the top card of the draw pile face up to start the discard pile. If the first card is a wild or action card, apply its effect immediately. Step 2. Understand the card type's number cards, 0 to 9. Match these by color or number to play them. Action cards. Skip. The next player loses their turn. Reverse. Reverses the order of play. Draw 2. The next player draws 2 cards and loses their turn. Wild cards. Wild. Choose the next color to be played. Wild draw 4. Choose the next color and force the next player to draw 4 cards. Must be used only if no matching card is in hand. Special note: action and wild cards cannot be played as the starting card. If one is drawn, shuffle it back into the draw pile. Step 3. Determine the starting player. Choose a player randomly to start. Play proceeds clockwise unless reversed. Step 4. Playing a turn on your turn. Play a card from your hand by matching either the color or number of the top card on the discard pile. If you can't play, draw a card from the draw pile. If the drawn card can be played, you may play it immediately. Otherwise, keep it and end your turn. Apply any effects of action or wild cards as they occur. Step 5. Declaring Uno. When you have 1 card left, shout Uno to alert others. If another player catches you forgetting to call Uno, you must draw 2 penalty cards. If no one notices before the next turn begins, you're safe. Step 6. Winning the round. The round ends when a player plays all their cards.